Good morning, day 7 here on the Carnival Horizon. We finish off with 2 straight days at sea as we're making our way back from Curacao. So 8-day cruise, a couple more chill days left. Yesterday we were in Curacao. We weren't there long enough. We were only there for like 8.5 hours. And it was absolutely amazing. One of my favorite ports ever. And I could have spent all day there. I could spend several days there. We swam with sea turtles. We snorkeled a whole bunch. Had some amazing beaches, saw flamingos, and even the town was gorgeous. So highly recommend getting to Curacao if you ever get the chance. Retired now, 3 straight go days, sunburns, drinks, stuff like that. Lots of steps, lots of swimming. So pretty tired today. Won't do too much, hopefully, but just enjoy some of the things that we've enjoyed in the past, and just enjoy the ship, chilling. Hopefully everyone else is sleeping in. Should be a great day. Having some breakfast. The buffets are really pretty chill in this ship. Never have to wait more than like 30 seconds to a minute.
You get extra 5 minutes.
Yeah, he hardly reaches. What a beautiful day. Sure. Jess and Nina have all my shirts on.
We'll be entering the Newport Passage. There is a shuttle between the eastern Cuba and western Hispaniola. Connect the Atlantic Ocean with the Caribbean.
Oh, it's all good. It's a beautiful day here in the waterworks. Diamond party. Margaritas at noon, great idea.
You want sauce, sir? Any sauce?
Donkey sauce.
Donkey sauce. Any topping, onion, tomato, lettuce?
No, I'm good. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Oh God! Oh God! Oh God! Oh God! Oh! Two left! Two left!
again.
Evidently working hard. Free steak and cheese, extra cheese, turkey sandwich with bacon and a pretzel roll and a Reuben. That's a good afternoon. Early evening. If the movie on. Dexter and Jess are watching it. I'm just getting some footage, chilling out. Along right before sunset. Another ship in the horizon. Looks like a celebrity, probably the same one that was in Curacao with us.